Hey guys, if you want to run YouTube ads like a pro, then that's exactly what this course is going to give you. Now, I've been a marketer for well over a decade and I've created courses on a lot of different topics, but one of the things that I've always done is I've always been into paid advertising. I've tested out all the platforms, I know how to run ads on all of them. In fact, I run a digital ads agency that runs ads for different clients. But my all-time favorite is YouTube video ads. And the reason that I like YouTube video ads is a couple of reasons. One, it's very low cost, okay? So if you know how to do it right, if you know how to target correctly, you can get great ads at low prices. That's what you're gonna learn in this course. Secondly, YouTube has niches on any topic. So no matter what your product or service is, you can run ads in your niche. In fact, I'll show you in this course how you can run ads on specific videos or even specific channels that you want to run ads on. So you can actually, it's the best platform if you actually know who your competitors are. You can run ads directly on your competitors' videos and it is awesome to do. Great ROI. So you're gonna learn all these things. You're gonna learn about the different types of ads, video discovery ads, when to use them, how to target, all that kind of stuff. So what you need to do is get registered for this course. You're gonna love it. You're gonna learn so much about YouTube ads and about video marketing. You're gonna learn how to actually structure a video ad so it gets results. You're gonna learn everything, okay? This is the definitive YouTube video ads course on this platform, and I know you're gonna love it. Plus, if you need help, reach out to me. You get personalized one-on-one help from me. I'll see you in the course.